Ooh, is that rice? Whoa! Here, I could put something on there for you. There you go. A little something to try it out. Okay. I'll get you some more. Get you some more. There you go. Kason, supposed to take the spoon and go like that. Oops. Okay. Here we go. Let's try again. Your turn this time, okay? Your turn. Okay, that's good. Alright, gotta get the last part with your mouth, huh? Good boy. Let's try to get a little bit more. Let's try that. Start small. Okay. Get the last of it. Oh, you like more? Okay, hold on. Here you go. Oops. Okay. Here you go. Mmm. And get the last of it. Gonna get the last of it. Okay. That's a spoon. That's your spoon.